Happy morning, students. Welcome to today's class. Okay, so previously you have been discussing structure and functions of the plants. Okay, so you have finished the first page. So today we will talk about the last lesson that you have stopped here. You have already completed this page, and today we will be studying parts of a plant. Okay, I hope you have understood the previous part. So today we will continue from here, parts of a plant. Okay, so before explanation, let me read the paragraphs. Okay, let me read the paragraphs, then I can explain to you. So you have to open your book and listen carefully. All right. Okay, we shall start. So here we have parts of a plant. A particular plant has different parts and each part has different functions. The plant body can be divided broadly into two parts, namely root system, shoot system. Okay. So what is root system? Now we'll study root system. The part of the plant that grows underground is called the root system. Roots help in holding the plant firmly in the soil. Thus, they are also called as anchor. Generally, roots are not green in color and grow away from the sunlight. In the root system, the tip of the root is covered by a cap called root cap to protect the root tip from damage while growing. The roots have root hair to supply water to the plants. Different types of plants have different types of roots. The two main types of root systems are observed as taproot system, fibrous root system. Okay, then we have here taproot system. What is taproot system? Taproot system is the single main root of the plant and it grows vertically downwards into the soil. It is also known as primary root, which gives out lateral branches called secondary roots. For example, trees like mango, jackfruit and herbs like mustard. The secondary roots may give rise to tertiary roots, etc. Fibrous root system. There are some plants in which main root is not present. A number of thread-like roots arise from the base of the stem. These are called fibrous roots or adventitious roots. These roots are similar and spread out in the soil to provide support to the plant. This type of roots are found in plants like wheat, millet, paddy, grass, etc. The next we have functions of roots. Okay, functions of roots. The important functions of the root system of a plant are as follows. Anchoring. The roots fix the plant firmly in the soil. Then we have number 2, absorption. The roots absorb water from the soil and supply it to the plants, through which many essential minerals also enter into the plants. Prevention of soil erosion. Roots help to bind the soil firmly so that it prevents the washing away of soil through water or air. Thus, it protects the soil from erosion. Okay. Now we will discuss here. So parts of a plant. It's very clear to you. Okay. You might have studied the parts of the plant. What are the various parts of the plant? Like branches, we have leaves, we have root, we have shoots, then we have trunk. There are many parts of a plant, but the special parts of a plant we are going to discuss now. So a particular plant has different parts and each part has different functions. A particular plant मतलब कि कोई भी एक प्लांट, कोई भी एक पर्टिकुलर प्लांट, सपोज मैंगो ट्री, ओके वील टॉक अबाउट मैंगो ट्री, ओके हैज़ डिफरेंट पार्ट्स एंड ईच पार्ट हैज़ डिफरेंट फंक्शन. We will talk about mango tree. Mango tree is also different and its parts are also different and its functions, its works also different. The plant body can be divided broadly into two parts, namely root system, shoot system. Okay, so the plant also can be divided, plant's body also can be divided how many parts? Into two parts, that will be root system and shoot system. Okay, in this picture you can see that this is a tree. Okay, it has branches, it has leaves, it has a big trunk here, and this is a climber, the climber. We can see only leaves here, and climbers need support to climb or to grow. Okay, it's very clear to you before also. Then here we have I already told you plant's body is divided into how many parts? Two parts, that is root system and shoot system. Okay, so here the question will come to you, the plant body is divided into how many parts? The plant's body is divided into two parts, so they are called root system and shoot system. So now we will discuss what is root system. Okay, what is root system? The part of the plant that grows underground is called the root system. What is called root system? The part of the plant that grows underground is called root system. मतलब कि soil से नीचे जो root होता है, that part is called root system. Okay, we cannot see that one. Okay, मतलब कि जमीन से नीचे जो होता है, that is called a root system. So we have a root here. I have brought a root for you. Now you see here, you can see that यहाँ से देखो, यहाँ से जो नीचे जाता है, that is under the mud, मतलब कि soil के नीचे होता है, and this is called a root system. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Root system. Then roots help in holding the plant firmly in the soil. So these roots, okay, you will find here roots. These roots, what do? They help. Okay, they help the plant. They help in holding the plant firmly in the soil. Because these roots, they just hold like this. They catch the soil. They catch the soil firmly, means strongly, and which helps the tree to grow, which helps the plant to grow. Thus they are also called as an anchor. ओके, ये जो रूट होते हैं उसको हम रूट सिस्टम भी बोलते हैं, ऑल्सो वी कॉल्ड इट एंकर. मतलब कि एंकर एक हुक होता है. हुक कैचेस, मतलब हुक से हम कोई भी चीज़ को हम हुक करके रखते हैं, पकड़ के रखते हैं. वैसे ही दिस रूट्स ऑल्सो मिट्टी को पकड़ के रखते हैं, ताकि ट्री will not become weak, it will become strong, it will remain strong. Okay, so generally roots are not green in color and grow away from the sunlight. Okay, so they are saying that root is not green in color. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, I have brought a root for you. So this is not green. Okay, इसका color green नहीं है. It not looking like a green. And it is away from sunlight. Root is not getting any sunlight also. Okay, root में कुछ भी sunlight नहीं मिलता है. So it is not green in color also. In the root system, the tip of the root is covered by a cap called root cap. देखो, ये एक रूट है, ठीक है ना, ये एक रूट है, और इस रूट में जो टॉप पार्ट है, ऊपर में एक भाग है. On the top we will find a skin like that, small cover. Okay, small cover like that, one small cover will come, that is called root cap. Okay, what is called root cap? This become very soft, this one small skin will come out. Okay, like this one small skin will come out, that is called root cap. Okay, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? root cap. To protect the root tip from damage while growing. When the tree is growing, when the plant is growing, this root cap is very important. What happens? It is covering the plant. It is covering the root like this, so that worms or any damage will not harm. Anything will not harm. Worms will not eat the inside part of the root. Then it will help the plant to grow strongly, to grow healthy or properly. Okay. Then damage while growing. The roots have root hair to supply water to the plants, and this is root. Okay, ये एक root है. इसका जो root hair है, the small roots. Okay, these small जो होते हैं, we call it root hair. Okay, what do you call it? Root hair. It helps to provide water. Okay, through this root water, the plant gets water. Through this root hair, plants get water. Supply water to the plants. Different types of plants have different types of root. All the plants do not have the same type of root. Okay, all the plants do not have the same type of root. Every plant's root is different. The two main type of root systems are observed as. Okay, जो दो main type of root होते हैं, they are called tap root system and fibrous root system. Okay, tap root system and fibrous root system. These are two main type of root system. Okay, once again I will tell you here. The plant's body is divided into how many parts? Two different parts. That is root system and shoot system. So what is root system? Here it is. The part of the plant that grows underground is called the root system. Then what happens to root? How does root help us? Roots help in holding the plant firmly. Root helps the plant to hold firmly, hold strongly to the soil. Thus they are also called anchors. इसलिए हम root को क्या बोलते हैं? We also call it anchors because they are like hook. खींच के पकड़ के रखते हैं. ठीक है. Then we have root cap. I showed you that root cap. Okay, here once again I am showing. So we have root cap here. ये root के ऊपर से और एक पतला सा एक लगा हुआ है, that is called root cap. Okay, inside we have white part like this, on top there is a covering here like this, skin जैसा cover रहता है. So that is called root cap, and this is small root you will see, that is called root hair, and it helps the plant to supply water. Okay, through this the plant gets water. And the root system we have two types. There are tap root system and fibrous root system. Okay, so what is tap root system and what is fibrous root system, we will discuss here. So we can see in this picture, देखो, you can see here. So this is the straight come down. Okay, horizontal it is coming down, and here you will see many roots. Okay, coming down, many roots coming down. So here this is called tap root system and this is called fibrous root system. Okay, so what is tap root system? Tap root system is the single main root of the plant. Here you see single main root. Okay, this is single main root. Other छोटे छोटे हैं, लेकिन this is very important. This is the main root, single. Then and it grows vertically downwards. वो नीचे तरफ आता है, vertically downwards. Then into the soil. It comes down to the soil vertically downwards. Okay, and this is the main part of the root. So this is called tap root. Then it is also known as primary root, which gives out literal branches called secondary roots. ये जो root होता है, we also call it main root, primary root. Okay, this is also called as primary root, and the small roots that has come from the primary root, this is called secondary roots. This one is called primary root and the small parts are called secondary roots. For example, trees like mango, jackfruit, and herbs like mustard. Okay, mango tree, jackfruit tree, they all have a tap root system. Mustard also. The secondary roots may give rise to a tertiary roots, etc. They are telling that the secondary roots may give rise to tertiary roots. Means this is the primary root, and these small are secondary roots, and these secondary roots also have one more root here, that is called a tertiary root. Okay, secondary root से और एक root निकलता है, उसको हम बोलते हैं tertiary roots. Okay, clear? Okay, now we will discuss fibrous root. Okay, fibrous root system. There are some plants in which main root is not present. There are some plants which plants do not have main root. Okay, here you see this has a main root, but here we do not have a main root. Okay, there are some plants which do not have a main root. A number of thread-like roots arise from the base of the stem. It has a base. Okay, this part is called a base of the plant. This part is called a base of the plant, and from that base we will find many roots like thread. वो धागा जैसा दिखाई दे रहा है, बहुत सारे roots निकालते हैं. Okay, so this is called thread-like roots arise from the base. They are looking like a thread, and this is coming from the base. Okay, these are called fibrous roots. Okay, these roots are called what roots? Fibrous roots or adventitious roots. Okay, adventitious roots. These roots are similar and spread out in the soil to provide support to the plant, and these roots are supporting the plant to stand straight. मतलब कि strong रहने के लिए these roots are helping to the plant. This type of roots are found in plants like wheat, millet, paddy, grass, etc. Okay, this type of root we will find in the wheat. गेहूं का पेड़ होते हैं, धान का पेड़ होते हैं, और grass जो होते हैं, millet मतलब कि बाजरा, वो सब जो पेड़ होते हैं we will find this type of roots. This type मतलब fibrous roots. Okay, fibrous roots we will find in the paddy, millet, wheat and grass. Okay, so once again just we will go through this part again. Parts of a plant. There are different type of plants, and all the plants have different parts and different functions. So here we have a tree and we have the climber. This is different, and this one is also different. The part of the body is divided into how many parts? It's divided into two parts, that is root system and shoot system. So what is root system? The part of the plant that grows underground is called a root system. Okay, and roots help the plant to remain strong, hold the soil strongly, and it also known as anchor. Okay, so we have root cap. It protects the plant to grow strongly. Root cap on top of the root. I already showed you that one. Okay, then we have root hair. Small root जो होते हैं, that is called root hair, and it supplies water to the plant. और plant को पानी it gives water to the plant. Okay, then we have two type of root system, that is tap root system and fibrous root system. So what is tap root system? Tap root system is the single main root of the plant, and it gives vertically downwards into the soil. Here we have shown you the picture. So this is called tap root system, and this is called main root system that grows vertically. मिट्टी के अंदर सीधा जाता है. Okay, it grows vertically and it has a small roots. They are called primary roots, and that primary root has another root that is called tertiary roots. Okay. So next one we have fibrous system, root system. That one we know that from the stem like thread, the many roots come out. It looks like a fiber. So it is fibrous roots. So we will find from wheat, paddy, millet that fibrous roots. Okay, is it clear for you? So for your homework you have to study from parts of the plant to this part. Okay, fibrous root system. Study 4 to 5 times, and the small questions. Okay, for your homework I will give you the questions and you can write in your note copies. I will make the question and I will send it to you. Okay, then thank you so much and have a beautiful day.